Shenzhen Thinkcar Technology Company Limited was established in 2019. The company focuses on the research and development, production, sales and service of automotive intelligent diagnostic products. It is a professional integrated solution provider of automotive intelligent diagnostic products and services. Thinkcar developed the industry's first high-end technology, such as video remote diagnosis, original factory-level diagnosis, and full vehicle system scan, leading tech in diagnostics. At present, more than 60 Think series diagnostic products have been developed, including video remote diagnostic tools, new energy vehicle diagnostic devices, DIY devices, OE-level diagnostic tools, TPMS tire pressure monitoring tools, accurate ADAS collaboration tool, and vehicle maintenance equipment. Thinkcar tools are distributed in more than 100 countries around the world. With 450,000 plus registered users, Thinkcar developed the industry's first modular intelligent device, ThinkTool, which won the German Red Dot Design Award. By 2022, Thinkcar has achieved 200 plus trademarks and 140 plus patents worldwide. In 2019, the company established Thinkcar America branch, which was responsible for North America market. In 2022, Thinkcar established Thinkcar Europe branch in Frankfurt City, Germany, which was responsible for the entire European market. Thinkcar company has achieved a successful transformation from a startup company to a high-tech company. The total number of employees is 350 plus, and more than 60% are from R&D department. Thinkcar has 100 plus distributors worldwide, and the company's sales network covers the world. Thinkcar closely focuses on the development trend of automotive products intelligence, information and data. Thinkcar Smart Factory specializing in automotive electronics assembly, testing, processing, and packaging, covering an area of 7,700 square meters. The factory introduces advanced equipment such as automatic tire pressure chip machine, automatic chip burning machine, professional testing machine, automatic packaging machine, automatic welding machine, automatic laser engraving machine, etc., and adopts the smart production management method of Industry 4.0, has established a complete and major supply chain system. Thinkcar Technology takes the needs of users as a highest mission, providing better products and services to the society, and strives to become the world's leading supplier of automotive smart tools and lead automotive diagnostic technology. The company's vision to create a real and lasting value for customers, employees, and Thinkcar global distributors, creating a new chapter together.